Have you ever wondered why some people suddenly become rich overnight, while others with the same skills, same jobs, and same opportunities stay stuck in the same place for years? Well, in the next 5 years, we're about to witness something humanity has never seen before. AI isn't just changing the world, it's dividing it. And the craziest part? This divide won't be between rich or poor, but between the people who understand AI and the people who ignore it. Let me show you exactly how. Imagine waking up in 2030, two neighbors, living on the same street, same age, same education level. One of them is a millionaire, the other is drowning in bills. Same world, two completely different realities. Why? Because one of them learned how to use AI, and the other hoped AI is just a trend that will go away. Here's where it gets interesting. Right now, AI is secretly replacing thousands of jobs. But at the same time, it's also creating thousands of new ones you haven't even heard of yet. People who know how to use AI tools are finishing 8 hours of work in 40 minutes, while others spend their entire day doing the same old manual tasks. AI didn't make them smarter, it just made them faster. And in the new world, speed is money. But here comes the twist. Most people think AI will only affect tech jobs. Wrong. AI is quietly taking over things people never imagined. Real estate, customer service, content creation, finance, marketing, even medicine. There are AI tools today that diagnose diseases more accurately than doctors. AI lawyers that draft legal documents in seconds. AI bots that handle customer support better than humans. And while everyone else debates whether AI is good or bad, a small group of people is already using it to make more money in 1 year than most make in 5. But this is where the story flips. Because AI won't just create millionaires, it will also break them. There's a hard truth nobody wants to hear. In every technological revolution, people who refused to adapt were left behind. When cars replaced horses, blacksmiths vanished. When the internet arrived, bookstores disappeared. Now AI is here, and the next wave of people who ignore it will be replaced, not by robots, but by other humans using AI. Here's the part that shocks everyone. Some of the biggest companies in the world are already removing entire departments, not because they hate employees, but because one AI tool can do the job of 20 people, faster, cheaper, and without ever needing a day off. But wait, here comes the twist nobody expects. AI is not the enemy. It's actually the biggest opportunity of your entire lifetime if you use it right. Because for the first time in history, a teenager with a laptop has the same power as a CEO with a $5 million company. AI tools are leveling the playing field. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need money. You don't need fame. All you need is one thing: the willingness to learn. People are building online businesses with AI. People are running side hustles using AI. People are earning passive income using AI automation. And these aren't tech experts. Some of them are students, teachers, Uber drivers, and even retirees. But this next part, this is where everything gets real. Experts predict that by 2030, nearly 40% of today's skills will be useless, gone, irrelevant, outdated, and the people who don't adapt will face the harsh reality of shrinking paychecks, fewer job opportunities, and rising competition. But the ones who do adapt, they will be unstoppable. Why? Because AI doesn't replace people. It replaces people who refuse to evolve. Let me leave you with this. The world is about to split into two groups. Not rich versus poor, not educated versus uneducated, but AI-powered versus AI-blind. The question is, which side will you be on? Because the people who learn AI today will control the world tomorrow. And you just took the first step by watching this video.